Andrew's camera died, so I'll just finish the video real quick.
This has really good bearings.
Doesn't have the best, but they are good.
Yeah. Designer gray is a very nice finish. Matches my designer gray Lady Delta. No, my Avalon. Yeah, Avalon.
Well, not exactly, because you put a red K4B on it.
It's still Avalon.
Don't care. Still put that on there.
And mine, Avalon, also has the chrome and designer gray combo.
So, yeah, I think that'll do it.
So, going to take this thumbnail right now. There we go. Thanks for watching. Bye.